Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Yashi Manish Vora and today I'm going to show you what I eat in a day as an international student in USA. So it is currently 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I wake up around 10:30, 11 since I usually work till late nights. So I usually like to start my day with a cup of milk, a cup of warm milk and some nuts. So in US, you usually get a gallon of milk, which is around 3.78 liters. And this is ready to consume. You can directly just pour it in your cup and have it. But I usually like to have warm milk. So I will microwave it for a minute. So I'll see you then. So guys, my milk is ready and so are my dry fruits. So this is what I usually have in the name of breakfast. I'll show you what I have for lunch later. For lunch, I was making roti ka sabzi or vaghareli roti is what we call in Gujarati. So here I'm kneading the flour for roti. This is usually made with leftover rotis, like if you have leftover rotis from afternoon or something like that. But since we did not have that and we were craving for this, we decided to make fresh rotis. So I was kneading the dough where for the dough I added oil and salt and water. That's it. Now here I'm adding oil for the roti ka sabzi, the way you just fry the rotis. It is fried in buttermilk, so I have the buttermilk ready in the vessel behind. And I forgot to take shots, but I added mustard seeds, cumin seeds and asafoetida already, and now I'm adding buttermilk in this. Now I'm adding turmeric, coriander powder and red chili powder and then stirring it well. Once it comes to a boil, then we'll add the rotis in this. And salt. After the boil, I'm now adding rotis in this, pieces of roti, so that again they can be cooked, and I'll let it rest for a minute or two and close the pan, like just put a lid on that. And you will see that there's a lot of quantity over here, so this is not just for me, it is for me and my roommates, all of us. So you will see a lot of quantity whenever I'm cooking. This is how it turned out, and you can just have this directly. And this is one of our comfort foods. A lot of Indians, especially Gujaratis, will know this food. I had been craving this since a very long time, but recently learned that it is very easy to make. And here this isn't short of outside my window, which you've already seen in my previous first video actually. So again, coincidentally, it was there were flurries on this day, so I thought Around 6 o'clock, I again was a little bit hungry, so I thought I'll just make a chocolate milk wherein I'm adding Dark Fantasy, 5 star, and Dairy Milk and just blending it out. That's it. For dinner, we are making palak paneer and parathas. So over here, we put the palak for cooking, and once it was all cooked, we were putting it in ice water so that it does not lose its color. And once the palak is at room temperature, we just blend it out. And we were chopping onions, garlic, ginger, and red chilies. After adding cumin seeds, ginger, and garlic, you just add onions and roast it for a minute. And here I've started parallelly kneading the dough for the parathas. In the paratha dough, we've added cumin. Adding the spinach puree in the sauteed onions. For the onions, we also added some red chili powder, uh, coriander powder, and red chili powder, and turmeric. Adding an extra red chili powder, coriander powder, and turmeric for the spinach puree. Now the final addition, paneer. So this was what I eat in a day as an international student in USA. This is a proper cooking video which I filmed from day to night because I was home. But otherwise, when I have college or something, it's just one meal. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.